Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. Ladies and gentlemen, now let me ask you few questions. Okay, tell me the name of 5 chocolate manufacturing companies. Tell me the name of 3 shoe manufacturing companies. Definitely, you have answered it, ladies and gentlemen. Tell me the name of 7 lathe machine manufacturing companies. Now, this one is the tough. Ladies and gentlemen, what I want to say in my today's video is, we must have awareness about different types of industries in the country. If we are not having awareness about different types of industries that are in India and what these industries are actually doing, we cannot grow in terms of job. The young generation of our country, which is studying in different professional colleges, they cannot grow in terms of jobs. Ladies and gentlemen, we are having 24 by 7 news channels which are giving us information about everything happening in the country, which is very nice, very good. These news channels are really doing great by providing crucial information to the people. Can't we have a dedicated industrial awareness channel in India? Can't we have a dedicated industrial awareness channel which provides you all the information related to different types of industries and what these industries are actually doing? It is a possibility, ladies and gentlemen, and here I want to say that it must happen in this country, because especially in this country, it is required, it is highly required. If we talk about industrial areas of the country, the places which provide jobs to young graduates, the very first thought that comes to our mind is Delhi NCR, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Definitely these are the major industrial hubs of the country, ladies and gentlemen. These are really greatest places in the country and they are really doing very good to provide job opportunities to large number of youth. We have heard about Gurgaon industrial area, we have heard about Noida industrial area. Have you ever heard about Sidicul industrial area? Very few people know about it, ladies and gentlemen. It stands for State Industrial Development Corporation Uttarakhand Limited. Have you heard about Kala Aam industrial area? Very few people know about it, ladies and gentlemen. Have you heard about Gida industrial area? Gorakhpur Industrial Development Authority. Again, very few people know about it, ladies and gentlemen. And then there are so many other such industrial areas about which very few people know. Sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, lack of awareness is also the major cause of unemployment in the country. People actually do not know that what are the different types of industrial areas, crucial industrial areas in the country where they can get relevant jobs according to their qualification. The 2 or 3 industrial places that we know, we keep searching only at those places. And the search process at those places has become so tough right now that the prominent industrial areas of the country are not able to provide job opportunities to everyone. Today, this is the condition. That's why I say that, ladies and gentlemen, television has a great impact on human mind. That's why we must have in India a dedicated news channel which can provide you information related to all types of industrial areas that are there in the country. Now, the representatives of these news channels, they must visit every industry of the country almost on daily basis. They should meet the representatives of those industries. They should tell people about what type of production process is going on in those industries. Then they must meet all the people in that industry who belong to production department, mechanical department, sales department, finance department, hiring department. They must meet such people personally, and then that program needs to be highlighted on television so that common people can actually see that what is the real need and requirement of industry people, so that the young graduates of the country can prepare themselves exactly according to that. These dedicated industrial awareness channels, they must visit different industries on daily basis. They must meet the representatives, HRs and the managers and the owners of the company on daily basis, and they must try to understand that what type of production and manufacturing process is going on in that particular industry, and then that program needs to be telecast everywhere. All Indians must be able to see that program on television. They must be aware of what is the exact requirement of the industry, and then they should enroll themselves in different courses related to that. Only then they will be able to get relevant jobs. Otherwise, they are learning something else and industry is doing something else. There is no connectivity between what people are learning and what industry is doing, and this is the major cause of unemployment in the country. Unless we have awareness, we will not have any grace towards anything. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many industrial areas in the country where there are industries, they are doing their business, but the places where these industries are situated, even the common people of those places, they are not very serious about those industries. The places where these industries are situated, the people living over there, they are not interested in those industries. Now see the grim situation. Industry is near you, but you are not interested. Why? The major cause is lack of awareness. We must need to tell people that what exactly is going on in the country. We must need to tell people that what type of industries we have in different states of the country and different towns of the country, different cities of the country. Unless we tell these things to common people will never be able to know that what type of opportunities are available in the country, and they will live under illusion that whatever they studied, it is of no use. They will always remain in this illusion, ladies and gentlemen, and if we want to eradicate this major problem in our country, which is known as unemployment, we need to take certain steps. I'm again repeating this statement, ladies and gentlemen. Television has a huge impact on human mind. News channels have a huge impact on human mind. So if you telecast something on television, it will definitely impact human life in a positive way. If you telecast positive things on news channels, it will definitely have a good impact on human mind. And then people will start working on those aspects of life. There should be a dedicated channel which must visit different industries of the country, and it must highlight different types of production processes that are going on over there. They must meet all the representatives of those industries, sales department, marketing department, HR department, all such type of departments, and they must highlight on television that what these different departments inside the industry they actually require, what type of professionals they actually require. If it happens, ladies and gentlemen, it will be a great step in the direction of eradicating unemployment from the country, which is the major problem. It needs to be done, ladies and gentlemen. This is very much required. If we are having news channels related to every aspect of human life, why not job life? Why not job life? That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.